from the latest album entitled All About Esther Phillips. Yes. The name of the song is There He Goes Again. Now, I added a monologue to it. I decided not to do it, but now that I'm up here, I think I'm gonna do it now. Cause you know, how does it start? Oh yeah, that's the way it starts. Thank you. You know what? This is the longest affair I've ever tried to hold together in my life. But it's just too cold. Now, I know you love me. I know better than anybody in the world. And I know I love you, but there's just something that's missing. Now I've tried to figure it out, and I'm sure you've tried to figure it out too. But be that as it may, it's all right. You know, now the song has ended. Somewhere down in here, the melody just keeps on lingering, you know what I mean? Now, before we make this final departure here, I just want to know one thing. Why do you go left when you should go right? This has been bothering me for a long time, so since we were really breaking up, I might as well just ask you about it. And you're looking for me. And I'm right here. Now, I ain't no pie in the sky. I'm down here on the ground. But then when I come to you, you just act all strange and distant and mysterious. There have been occasions when you've been rigid, sometimes frigid. But I don't understand it when you just be simply going out. I mean, stretching far out. So far out until you be out to lunch. You know what I mean? I mean, far out to lunch. You know what I mean? Don't know why there's no sun up in the sky. Stormy weather. Since me and you ain't together, keeps raining all the time, all the time. My life is so bad, so bad, so bad, so bad. Gloom and misery everywhere. Stormy weather. Well, but I'm gonna show up. Believe me, I'm gonna hold this together. Even though it keeps ringing all the time. into that same old act again, yes. You're acting crazy, baby. You're acting so crazy. And you about to tell me, you're gonna tell me, and we're through. When you know I love only you, yeah. Sugar, sugar. You've been acting kind of strange. And every time you touch me, boy, I don't feel the warmth, no, no. That we once had. But I'm aware. You think I'm laying that same old line down on you like all those other ladies, but baby, let me tell you, I'm the one who loves you. Well, and I understand you. I'm the one who's shown up, I really love you. And I got you covered. I said, hold on, baby. Hold on. You know I love you. And I know you love me. But let me tell you, since you went away, well, the blues walked in and met me. And if you stay away, hey, oh, the rocking chair's gonna get me. All I do is pray that the Lord above will let me. He's gonna let me walk in the sun with you on my arm. I just want some more, Daddy. I said, oh, wait on, baby. Hey, hey. I said, as long as we're dead,